Hi guys, this is Coach Ideal, and our lecture for today is on making subject of formula. Okay, so what does this making subject formula means? It simply means for this example specifically, they want your answer to be b equals to something. This something can have a square root, it can have a square, it can have a fraction, and all sorts, as long as there is no more b on the right hand side of the equation sign, right? So we begin first by locating where are our b's, and I can see there's one b here and there's one b here, and this is followed by removing the fractions. Okay, so I'm going to break up this b plus 2k by doing cross multiply, and let's see what we have. We have a b plus 2k equals to b 2c plus 1. Okay, once we remove the fraction, we expand the brackets, and we will get ab plus 2ak equals to 2bc plus b. So once the brackets are expanded, we will locate again where are our b's, and here I can see there's a b here, b here, and a b here. So let's group all our b's together and isolate them. So I will have 2ak equals to 2bc plus b plus, sorry, this will be a minus, okay, minus ab. So now all our b's are on one side of the equal sign. So to isolate the b, we do factorization on the right hand side of the equal sign. So we will get 2ak remains the same, equals to, let's take out the b, and we are remain with 2c plus 1 minus a. Okay, so now our b is independent, or our b is just by itself here. So just to get make b the subject formula, we need to bring down this expression to the left hand side. So we will get 2ak over 2c plus 1 minus a equals to b. So a nicer way of presenting this is b is equals to 2ak over 2c minus a plus 1. Okay, so that is how we make b the subject of the formula. Okay, we have a second example here, and now they tell us to make d the subject of formula. And let's identify where is our d, and it is over here. Okay, so I see that this is quite a complicated equation. So to make it simpler, I am going to expand all the brackets. I'm going to open up all the brackets and try to remove the fractions wherever I can. So from my observation, I can see that I can bring up these two to the left hand side to remove the fractions, right? So I will get 2s equals to n with a square bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 d, close square brackets. Okay, so now I've gotten rid of one fraction. I am going to expand the brackets. I'm going to open up the brackets. So I have 2s equals to n with this bracket 2a minus dn, sorry, this is a plus dn minus d. Okay, and now what I am going to do is I'm going to bring down the n to the left hand side. 2s over n equals to 2a plus dn minus d. Okay, so now I have no more brackets, but I have one fraction on left hand side, which is not going to affect my d. So I will bring over this 2a to the left hand side because I just want terms containing d on one side. So I am left with, uh, 2s over n minus 2a equals to dn minus d. So now I am going to switch this positions, this and this switch position, so I will have d on my left hand side, and I am going to factorize the d. So d n minus 1 is equal to 2s over n minus 2a. Okay, so to make d the subject formula, I simply bring down the n minus 1 to the other side, so I'll have 2s over n minus 2a over n minus 1. Okay, so this is an answer, and I can always simplify this further. Okay, but leaving it in this form is still okay. But let's try to simplify this by simplifying the numerator, where I will get 2s minus 2an over n over n minus 1. Okay, so now let us shrink this equation so that I will have some space, and this eventually becomes d is equal to 2s minus 2an over n and n minus 1. Okay, yes, so this is my final answer for making the subject of formula for this example. I hope you guys have a clearer picture on how to make a subject or formula for any given equations. There's lots of examples in the textbook, in the assessment books, and from past year papers. So please do practice so that you will be more familiar with these steps. And if you think this is useful, this has helped you in the understanding, please do share this with your friends, your classmates, and whoever you think might need the help, and may they enjoy the benefit as well. Okay, see you in my other lectures.